Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chowdhury. How are you all doing? Friends, today it is Diwali and I wish you all a very happy and a prosperous Diwali. So you all love Diwali in India. Everybody loves Diwali and it's a nice festival. So I just could not do much of here, but I said I'll show you how I get dressed up on a Diwali day and what is my favorite dress I wear. So I'm already half ready actually. So I've worn my dress, I've worn my jewelry. I didn't wear much of bangles because I didn't have many. So but I've painted my nails and according to my dress, and this is my little jewelry which I'm wearing for this dress, and I love this dress. I'll show you the final outlook of this dress, and I bought this dress from Bangalore, and I love its fitting because it's all good fitting and it's a very old dress actually. But then I said this would look very nice on a Diwali day and something shining. So this is it, and I cannot give you the link in the description box because it is bought from a local market, and in Bangalore there are so many stores that you can just enter into any stores and do shopping. It's not like you go to Walmart or you go to Target or you go to Kohl's. So for those dresses, I can give you a link and a description, but not for these Indian dresses. So I'll I'm trying to see who can help me with buying good dresses from Bangalore from the shop I buy, and I'm trying to contact them. So let's see, and I can tell you all if I buy any good dresses and if they pre-stitch or stitch and give us, so it'll be great. So friends, today I'll share a little tutorial of how I do makeup with this blue dress and my Indian outlook. So we'll just show my makeup routine, friends. So friends, the first step I follow is always clean and clear your face. I have used this one, the rose water, which I always clean my face from. So I've already done that. I would not be wasting my time. I take a cotton swab and I just swab my face. And next is my primer, friends. So this is Revlon primer. So I bought this from Target or Walmart, and I have this. It is still there, and you can buy, and it is a good primer, and I don't know what is the shade and all. So it's a good primer. So primer, I don't think, oh yeah, it's 001. If you all can see, it is 001. So this is the primer's number, 001. So I take this and I apply little. Just apply it. I just do dots everywhere. So how is your Diwali and all going, friends? You must be having so much of fun doing new shopping, new clothes buying, preparing sweets and all. Of here I don't eat sweets, so I don't bother to make them, but yeah. So this is the first step which I do. And I'll do a very simple makeup, not a heavy makeup this time. So I'm done with this. Neck I had already done little bit, so but I'm just showing you for my face alone today. So this primer work is done. So next comes is my foundation. So this is also a very old one, and I don't remember from where I bought, but it's this one is 04 True Beige, if you all can see. It is 004 True Beige. So I'll apply this as a little foundation just to give it a creamy texture on my face. I don't want to take more. I just took so much. So friends, share your pictures of your Diwali on in my Instagram and on my messenger. So I would love to see your pictures with Diwali and what and all did you all cook. So in America it is hard to, and during this time it's very hard. Nobody is doing anything much. Everybody is in their homes. So See friends, already a good texture has come off on my face. And yesterday I did the pomegranate peels facial. I hope you all liked it, and I'll put the description of that also. And I have shared my makeup routine for a general get together. You can follow me on that also, friends. So, and now friends, I have a little eye definition, and it is 426. The number is 426. I hope you all can see it. 426. This is an eye definition. This one, you can just make a little glitter on your eyes if you want to give a good glitter. I'll just rub a little, and I'm not much into eye makeup because my eyes are really small. Yeah, so much is enough. So with my finger, I'll just blend it all over again. I'll get ready and show you again on Thanksgiving, friends. Very soon Thanksgiving is also coming, and that's my favorite festival, favorite occasion. So this is also done. So here friends, I have a Maybelline. It's a Maybelline Sapphire eye pencil. I don't know what is its number. So it only says Sapphire, and this is Maybelline Unstoppable, and it is blue in color. And today I worn a blue dress, so I'll be doing this with the blue. So I'll just draw a big nice line. I like thick eyeliners. See friends, it's given a good look over here. And I'm doing it now for the right eye. And if you want to give a little curl, no friends, here you can always do, because it will make your eyes, whoever has small eyes, they'll look bigger. So here it is, if you can see. So now I'll just put some I don't like to use false eyelashes, so I like to keep it little natural, and I don't use that. This is the mascara, and this is the mascara from CoverGirl. It's from Walmart or Target. I've seen in both the places. You all can buy from there, friends. So it's a very simple 5-minute makeup. You can do this and get ready in 10 minutes. I won't be taking more than 10 minutes for this kind of makeup today, because we are at home and doing nothing much. And now friends, I'll be using Revlon compact powder, and it's called Revlon Nearly Naked, and this is photo ready one, and its number is 020 light pale. So I'll just brush this also a little on my face, just to show that it is really smooth and textured well. So I won't be using this also much. Just you have to get ready for some occasion, and just get ready, and you look good with natural makeup itself. So I don't do dress up, I don't put makeup much on my face, because all these are chemicals again. So just a little on my nose too. So all done here. So now I'll go up with a little eyeshadow. So this is again from CoverGirl, and it only has 4 colors. I am using this because there's a little blue in here. I didn't use the whole palette today, but I have used it before. Can you see? It looks different, so I have to wash these also. But yeah, these are little blue, so I'll just give a little touch of blue, and I'll blend it with the... I should have put my eyeliner later, but it's all good. So I knew that I had to do this something before, but I really forgot, and but it doesn't matter. Colors usually look great on every skin type, and this is how you should blend off with your finger so that it blends well. See friends, my eyes are small, that's why it is just you have to touch that saying that, oh, we have done little makeup and pictures come out good. So I think it's done. And now for the final thing, I have a Physician Formula. This is my blush, and I didn't get a other blush of another company. So this is a little expensive brand, and Physician Formula is the best one actually. So, and the one thing is good, it has its own brush, and it has a compartment over here to keep its own brush, so you can say that, oh, this is nice, because this is the blush which I just use it. And always you should smile or laugh when you're using the blush. Just give a smile to your own self. So my nail polish and all is done before itself, and I'm feeling good that I applied these colors and it matched off my skin. So I'm done over here also, friends. So now the lipstick time comes. Now friends, I'll be adding this lipstick on my lips, and it is 645. Its number is 645 from Maybelline. It's a Maybelline Red Revival, if anybody wants to buy and use it. And I feel this tone will suit every Indian girl. So every Indian girl should process a red lipstick for her lips. So it's really good. I'll apply and show you. I said you I'm doing this makeup very simply, so I don't want to use a lip liner and all. So here's the lipstick. So friends, this is the red lipstick which every girl should process. So it's very nice, and it's again 645 Red Revival. If anybody wants to buy, it's there in Walmart, Target, King Supers, wherever. So I don't know whether in India it is there or no, because I have no idea. But in US you can purchase from any local market, local stores. So I hope you like this, and I'll show you the final look again. So friends, happy Diwali. Enjoy your Diwali, okay? Send me pictures on Instagram and all. Happy Diwali, friends. Hope you all are having lots of fun. And this is from me. Happy Diwali to one and all. Love you all. And if you have liked this video of today, please like it, share it, and subscribe. Happy Diwali. So this was my final look. Let me know how do I look, friends. And this is also a very old dress, at least like 10 years old dress. So I feel good, and today is Diwali. Happy Diwali.